On this particular Tesla, which a deer had happened, it got in a little accident, a little fender bender with a deer, and it happened. But looking at it real quick, it doesn't look like much is going on. I mean, you can see there's some big gaps here. You can see the hood's dented a little bit, the bumper's got a little wrinkle in it. You can see the sensor is knocked inside. So this will know a lot, allow this to work, as it's picking up the readings inside the bumper. And that was from the accident, got knocked inside. That's pretty common to do it. But with Tesla, they all interact with each other. The main distance sensor is right behind here, you can't see it. And then the other main sensor for the self-driving is located right here in the windshield. But they all work in junction with each other. So again, one down, it could send an alert so the car won't self-drive itself. So that could happen at any time, and we can see in this particular one, it's already damaged, it's popped out, so it will not work. And when we expose it, we'll see a little bit more. Now that we took a little apart, we can see, so that distance sensor, which is right here, it's hanging around, which mounts in here. We can see the radius support upper here is all pushed in. So just from this alone, the autopilot of this car would not work due to this accident, just from a little deer hit that didn't look that bad. You can see the reinforcement bar is all dented in here, which is a crash bar. So from that deer hit, even though it's a deer, it still took a real solid hit. So you never know, a deer hit could do some stuff. It looks like it did some inner damage here. On the fender edges, all peeled up on both sides. You can see that there. So within general, just from a little deer hit, what it did to the sensors, and that's why it's important to use a certified Tesla store, because they'll know what to look for and they'd be able to get access to this. A lot of people can't get access to these sensors. We'll go over to the bumper, we'll go back and look inside where the sensors are, and you can see here's the front of the bumper where we looked at earlier, where it's pushed in, and this is the inside of it, and you can see the sensor we talked about got ripped off the bumper cover that mounted. So that's the thing, and here's all your sensor harnesses going all inside through there. So that's why it's very important that you see, again, minor accident looks like, you end up seeing how much damage that ends up causing.